And the menu for today, beef stroganoff with a buckwheat for the side dish. I will need about 1 pound of beef chunks, 1 medium onion, 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of sour cream and spices, salt, pepper and bay leaves. Cut the meat into the strips. Preheat the pot and pour some oil in. Place the meat into the saute pot, salt it just a little, and cook until excess liquid evaporates. It will take about 10 minutes. Then cook it for another 3 to 5 minutes so meat can get a little golden color. Meanwhile, prepare the onion. Chop it finely. Add the onions into the pot when there is no extra liquid and the meat has this little golden color. Cook 5-7 minutes until onion softens. Now add tomato paste and sour cream. Stir it all well. Cook it for another 5-7 minutes just to let the ingredients to exchange juices. And add water, just to cover the meat. When the water boils, season it with salt and black pepper to your taste. Add the bay leaf. Now lower the heat, cover the pot and cook for about 30 minutes. For the side dish I will make a buckwheat. I will use the buckwheat from the bags. It's easy to cook and it tastes good. So boil the water, salt it and just place the bags into the boiled water. I usually use the cooking direction from the box and it works good. When the buckwheat is ready, take it out from the bags and add some butter. So 30 minutes later, the meat is ready, the side dish is cooked, and it's time to serve the dinner. This is very light and delicious dinner that could be easily prepared in less than 1 hour. And also on my channel you can find other simple and delicious dinner ideas. Make your favorite salad and enjoy! Thank you for visiting Katya's Kitchen. Come back again for simple and delicious recipes.